welcome to ArtMagic.
Doraemon is a beloved character worldwide. With simple instructions and easy-to-follow steps, kids can enhance their drawing skills while having fun creating this iconic character. Draw his eyes as two large circles with smaller circles inside for pupils. Add a small oval for his nose and a curved line below for his mouth. Begin by drawing a small oval shape in the for Doraemon's head. Extend two curved lines from the sides of Doraemon's body for his arms. At the end of each arm, draw a circle for his hands. Beneath his body, sketch two short, curved lines for Doraemon's legs. Now it's time to add color. Use shades of blue for Doraemon's body, head, and arms. Color his eyes and inner ears white, his nose and mouth pink, and his bell yellow. Don't forget to color his hands and feet in a light gray shade. Please share your home paintings, drawings, and coloring with me on my Facebook page, ArtMagic Drawings. Visit our page where you'll find numerous drawings available for printing and coloring.
By the way, don't mind clicking a tiny button, the one marked subscribe. Yeah, I know it doesn't make a big difference to you, but to our team, it does.